If you're considering moving to South Carolina or have recently moved to the Palmetto State, welcome. We're glad you're here. You may be wondering how South Carolina is different from the state you moved from, including how taxes work here. Let's start with income tax. South Carolina has a simplified income tax structure that follows the federal income tax laws. Your federal taxable income is the starting point in determining your state taxable income. Tax rates range from 0% to a top rate of 6 to 7%, depending on the year and taxable income. Individual income tax returns are usually due April 15th, just like your federal return. However, you have until May 1st to file and pay your South Carolina return if you do so electronically. When you file your return, you will need to know your residency status. The year that you moved to South Carolina, you're likely considered a part-year resident, since you lived in South Carolina for part of the year and lived somewhere else before you moved here. As a part-year resident, you can file as a full-year resident or a non-resident, whichever method benefits you the most. South Carolina has several tax credits and deductions that can impact your income taxes, including deductions for retirees, seniors, and military veterans. Visit dor.sc.gov/IIT for more information on individual income tax in South Carolina. South Carolina's statewide sales and use tax rate is 6%. Certain counties may impose additional 1% local taxes. Some purchases made in South Carolina, including prescription medicines, dental prosthetics, electricity, natural gas, and fuel oil used for residential purposes, are exempt from sales tax. And most property, including cars and homes, are taxed through your county, not by the SCDOR. If you're 65 or older, legally blind, or permanently and totally disabled, and you have resided in South Carolina for a full calendar year, you're eligible for a homestead exemption of $50,000 from the value of your home. For more information about residential or vehicle property tax, contact the assessor or auditor's office in the county where you plan to live. And for more information and resources regarding South Carolina state government, visit sc.gov. Visit us at dor.sc.gov for information on taxes in South Carolina. And stay connected with the SCDOR on social media for up-to-date news, tips, and announcements.